Hi YouTube, and today I'm going to show you something really well at the Shell car wash. Everyone knows that for the equipment they have, they use Mark 7 equipment and Ballinger equipment. But for this Shell station located in Markham, I filmed in October 2016, it has a really well 1990's PDQ SpectraWash. These are really well now. But sadly, that one got replaced by a PDQ/Ballinger system that is mixed in together. And I also filmed the new system too. That will be in another video also. So anyways, I will show you what this wash does. So anyways, enough for talking, and let's get to the old PDQ SpectraWash. And then in another video, I will post the new Ballinger system. So anyways, hope you enjoy it, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good day.
What's it say?
76154.
The code has been accepted. Put your car in the code and no breakers. Thank you for
We have a PDQ Spectra system instead of a Mark 7 soft line. We're going to get Rain-X here.
No brushes.
It's a touchless system.
Oh, great. No brushes.
It's a PDQ system.
Do you want to drive through?
No, we don't drive through. We're going to start with pizza. We're going to get Rain-X here after the high power winds. And we are cleaning as that.
I think we're going this way. Going off the track.
Pre-soak. Good coffee. Now put your windshield in. Oh, more pre-soak. Pre-soak, please. Put your windshield in. And we're going to get try some. Stop your windshield. Okay, now put your windshield over, please.
But I like the colors.
Oh! We're going to get a high power winds, I suppose.
Pretty colors, eh?
Mm-hmm. This is a high power wind. Ooh!
Whoa. Ooh, look at that. What do you think, Lou?
We're going to get our laser trials. We are laser trials by PDQ's laser wash forecasting. They move too, you know.
Are they any good?
Yeah, they're doing a great job right now.
I don't think so.
We have a sign, adjustment of. this PDQ color does a great job. Never been to a PDQ tunnel system before. I always been to a laser wash 4000, laser wash 36, and the laser wash 360, and laser wash 7. But that's a first one. And we're done.
What do you think about that?
Pretty rare. It's a real system. But not really good at the Shell station in Markham, Ontario. That's the PDQ SpectraWash system.